Hi traders, welcome to Kajani Trade and Train. Today's video about Bank Nifty review dated 2nd July 21. CPR is an indicator to identify key price points to set up intraday trade. CPR indicates for intraday setup. What are all these key price points for today's Bank Nifty chart? We will see. First we will see this is the resistance 1 trend line. I have drawn the trend line at the resistance 1. This is the first line. How beautifully chart and these candles could not cross this price point. This is the power of CPR. It has indicated those who have taken a buy position from here to here, they are supposed to exit at this price points. That is the key price points indicated by the CPR. That is the power of CPR. Now coming to previous day low. See, this is the trend line of previous day low. Market could not come and break this previous day low. How powerful this CPR has indicated this previous day line. These lines we can know in the previous day itself. This again we will see S1. This is the S1 and the previous day low are very close. This is going to be very strong support for the market. This range is very good support, very strong support for the market. Just see the chart could not come down below this. So that is the power of CPR. It gives the key price levels and points. CPR narrow range, it is a trending market. See, today's CPR is very narrow CPR, very narrow range. It indicates it is a trending market. Trending, when market is trending, our non-directional viewer should avoid the trade because it is not moving in the uniform direction. So non-directional viewer has to, for them it is no trade day. They have to avoid today's trading. CPR range, narrow trading range, CPR range, narrow range, trading range wide. The CPR range is narrow. Because of the CPR range is narrow, the trading range, just see the trading range from here to here, it is a wide trading range. Today's CPR is descending CPR. That is, this CPR, this is today's CPR is below the previous day CPR. That means this is the descending CPR. It indicates that today's market is bearish market. Since CPR indicates it is a bearish market, there is an uptrend here. If you are taking the trade in this range from here to here uptrend, you should be very careful because it is a contra trading. As quickly as possible you have to exit because it is a contra trading. CPR opening trick opened within, candles opened within the CPR. See, candles opened, first candle opened within CPR, immediately red candle form outside the CPR. So when candles opened within the CPR, it is an indication that CPR is home for the candles. That means the candles will trade close to the CPR only. See how beautifully it is closed to the CPR only. Again CPR attracts the candles. CPR is an home, it attracts the children going outside. See how the candles are coming inside the CPR and stay at CPR only. These statements should be used for the intraday trade setup. Keep your trading as simple as possible. We are conducting 2 days workshop on Saturdays and Sunday to learn and earn. Thank you.